Today, I will show you how to fix this. This essentially means is that the battery in your key fob is running low, and this also generates an alert. So you see the eye with the circle. It's basically saying there's something that needs your attention related to your car. So let's do it. Okay, so in order to replace the battery in your key fob, so first of all, this could work for any Honda model as long as your key fob looks like this. I have a Ridgeline, so if you have a CRV or Pilot or some other model, it may work for you. So first thing you'll need is to open this to replace the battery. But in addition to that, you'll need an actual replacement battery. So this is a Sony battery. It's CR2032. You can buy a Duracell, you can buy Energizer, whatever you want. I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon so you can buy a battery, but I basically picked up this Sony one. So what you will need to do first thing is flip the fob, and you'll notice there's a little tab here. So what this does is when you push this forward, it reveals the key. So you push it forward and pull this out. So push, pull. So this is your key. And then the battery is in this piece here. This is the key fob body. So what you want to do is you want to pry here. And what it does is it will open the fob for you. So you can do this two ways. One, get a flathead screwdriver and just put it in the center and just twist it so that it opens up. So twist it like so. So what I will do is for my demonstration here, I'll just use the key here. So I'll just put them in the center here. So what you want it to do is apply enough pressure so it just opens. So you see, it opens up. Once it opens, just take it out. And now the battery is revealed. So this one probably was replaced before, so it's a Sunbeam battery. I think you can get that from the Dollar Tree. It's probably not the best battery, but anyway. So take out the new battery. Pop it out of there. And notice the position. See, the text are facing up, so you want to make sure you put it back the same way you took it out. So I'll just pop this out. You can pry with the screwdriver or just pop it out with your fingernails. So let's see. Comes. Let's use the key here. Okay, I need something a little sharper to do this. There it is. I'll use this. There we go. Came right out. Now remember how it was. You want to make sure it's facing the text is facing up. So just slide in. You see these little hooks here. I'm gonna slide this in here. Then just press, and boom, it just went in its place. Now you want to take the cover, line it up like this, and just apply enough pressure so it clicks in. It's essentially like replacing your phone battery when they used to allow you to replace them. Alright, so there you go. And now you can put this back in. And that's it. And now if you take this back to your car, you should not see the alert anymore. Alright, good luck. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.